myself, feeling myself. You guys, I think this is kind of cute. Now, true story, I was trying to do another style, but then realized that style would be better on old wash and go hair, not freshly washed hair. So I had to transform ya. So I'm gonna show you how I created this style. Cute little boxes, little top knot bun, and some curls in the back, just like that. Got some curls in the back, just like that. Got some curls in the back, yeah, just like that. Okay. This whiteness will dry, and it won't be flaky. It'll be like how the top is, but still defined. But I was thirsty. I had to remember to film this because guess what? If I didn't film it now, I would forget. So stay tuned to see how I achieve this style using Creme of Nature products, actually from their Pure Honey line, which I just love. The products smell good, work good, feel good. Stay tuned. For the first step, I'm going to be using the Creme of Nature Honey Hydrating Shampoo. This shampoo is made with certified natural coconut oil and shea butter, and I love it because it definitely works as a moisturizing shampoo. Not to mention, a little goes a long way. I'm just using a little bit here to actually apply it to my hair, and it smells so good. It is a moisturizing shampoo, but does a great job of cleansing and clarifying as well. Now that you have scrubbed it clean, it is time to rinse it out. And as you can see, my scalp is cleansed. It is flake-free and ready to move on to the conditioning process. I'm using the Creme of Nature Moisture Replenishing and Strengthening Mask, which I absolutely just love. The texture is definitely tacky and sticky, which is weird at first. You're like, is this gonna work for what I need it to do? But it does. So the mask actually strengthens and helps to prevent frizz as well as replenishing moisture into your hair. It also has great slip, which really helps for detangling, which is what I'm doing with my Denman brush. Next up, I'm going to be using my Theodore Vernell Supersized Disposable Shower Cap. You guys know I love using the Theodore Vernell products. They have a great bonnet and shower cap that you can use too. I'll link it below for you to reference. Now you want to let that sit for 10 minutes or however long you choose, and then you can remove it to be able to see the products working already. Curls are soft and bouncy and just feeling loved. So now I'm going to rinse that out and then being able to move forward with the styling process. So I'm going to be sectioning my hair and then adding in the Creme of Nature Not Away Detangler. It actually helps to be able to tangle easy as well as being able to make your hair more manageable. And then I follow that up with their twisting cream, which is thick within the consistency, which I love for my textured hair. The first thing I'm going to do is actually part off a little small section here in the front and using the Creme of Nature Edge Control to be able to have a sleek look, and just applying it all around the perimeter of that little section, smoothing it down, and then being able to put it into a little ponytail. We'll repeat that on the other side so you can have two symmetrical ponytails on both sides of your face. Quick detangle with my Denman brush, and then I'm going to do a 2-strand twist on this section and then actually be able to repeat the same thing on the following section. Do your twist, swing, roll when you're thrown just like so. Next up, I'm actually going to be taking my comb and parting on both sides again to be able to bring my hair up so I can start to do the top bun. Now you have to secure the twist by actually just being able to put them into the ponytail. So all I'm doing is taking it and then putting a rubber band right on top and being able to secure it. This side I actually used a bobby pin because I was like, hey, why not? Then I'm taking these small detailed little clips and putting them on top of my hair. I love them. They're just a cute accessory that really makes your hair have a little extra pizzazz. Then taking the bun, folding it over on itself, and then securing it as well. For the back, I'm styling it like a wash and go using the twisting cream and the Eco Styler gel. And I'll link below how I actually achieve a full detail wash and go for my previous video. Now I'm taking the last train to edges. So I'm smoothing my edges down, getting all my swoops in there. Swoopity-doo, you see them? So I'm using the end of that comb there and being able to kind of give that extra defined swoop. Doing my little curls on my shiny sideburns per usual, just to finish that look, and a little small baby hair in the front, and I am done. So now I'm going to take the Edge Control by Creme of Nature just to set that on top of it to make sure that it lays. I'm following this up with a quick beat, and baby, I am ready. So I am so cute today, feeling my cute style, something that I just achieved very easily. So as you can see, this is something that you can easily do on your own, and I hope that you enjoy watching it. So if you like this look, please make sure to subscribe, like, and comment on this post. And when you subscribe, don't forget to hit that bing bing bell so you can get notifications when new posts become available, because otherwise they may be sitting on your thread but you may not know. Don't you want to know? Don't you want to know? So I enjoyed you guys. Thanks for coming by again. See you later, gems. Bye bye.